Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make protein bagels. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need self-rising flour, plain Greek yogurt, and your preferred protein powder. These three form the base of our delicious and nutritious bagels. Don't forget to think about your favorite toppings, like everything bagel seasoning or poppy seeds, to add that perfect finishing touch. This recipe is super adaptable, so feel free to experiment with flavors. Now let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of self-rising flour with 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Next, add about 2 scoops of your chosen protein powder. Mix everything together until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough for approximately 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for a good bagel texture. Once your dough is perfectly kneaded, divide it into 8 equal portions. This ensures all your bagels are roughly the same size. Take each portion, roll it into a short rope, and then connect the ends to form a bagel shape. Next, bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer. Carefully drop each bagel into the simmering water and boil for 1 minute on each side. This quick boil is the secret to that wonderfully chewy bagel crust. After their quick swim, place your bagels on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. For a golden brown finish, brush each bagel with an egg wash and sprinkle generously with your desired toppings. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden. Let them cool completely on a wire rack before slicing and enjoying your delicious, homemade protein bagels.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.